Hey, Quinty parents, just looking at Hudl, and because I subscribed to this page, I can't show you some of the steps. But when you first log into Hudl, you will want to look for the Quinty Red Devils U11. It'll say, if you search Quinty U11 AAA, it'll come up with all the Quinty teams, and you should be able to find us. And what you'll see when you click on that is that there will be a little follow button. So because I have already followed them, that isn't an option anymore. So you need to follow it. It's like a Twitter page or a Facebook page that you need to follow the team. So I had this problem as well. Just a little correction is that what Hudl is like a service that can record all your games. It's like a recruitment opportunity that they can select highlights. We can even do that within the program. We can also pay Hudl to do that. So while we're sort of working out the bugs, just wanted to make sure. I had originally signed up as it said Jennifer Travers, number 31, not Matthew Travers. So I also just wanted to make sure you knew that. So once you've subscribed to the page, if you're seeing in here that it's your parent name, not your player name, that what you can do is just go into your profile and then you just change it in there and it will automatically do that for you. So that's what I did because I am not on the Quinty Red Devils team. And so I just clicked edit profile and then changed it from there. Just typed it in there. You can even edit more information, the personal information, whatever it may be, as much as you feel comfortable putting in there. You don't have to put in any of that. You could just put the name. So just wanted to make sure that we're setting it up properly so that the information is about the player, not the parents. So what you can do is start creating your player's profile. And I just wanted to point out the videos that have been recorded. If you go under video, they should now be posted that you can actually see all of those games. There's the list right down here, but you can also just scroll through if there was a particular game that you would like to see. That you can review the game there. And it was updating some of the wins and losses, and then it just stopped doing that. I'll see if it can update that or figure out that information. Some of the other things too that what we're looking at is that you can create highlights that, well, you can't, but that highlights can be created. And we were playing with this a little bit, and this was one of the great goals that Jimmy scored on the Clarington Toros. So that's the hope, is that we might be able to get through there and be able to highlight some of those things. So just play around with it and see what options you have or what you're able to see. And hope this video just helped you clarify a few of the things that this program can do.